Hey, what's up guys? Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 gets official in Germany and the starting price is 649 euros. The much leaked and very rumored big mid-range Samsung tablet is now official in Germany and it's now called as Galaxy Tab S7 Plus Lite or anything like that as previously hinted at. Instead, the Korean company went with the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. It's rather obvious to bid to unify the naming scheme of its phones and tablet. So FE now stands for great value for money devices or flagship killers, something like that is going to be saying. Well, not literally, it's still a fan edition, but you get the point. This is basically a cut down version of the flagship Tab S7 Plus. So basically, if you look at the design of the Tab S7 FE Fan Edition, you will be noticing that on the left hand side of the device we have the speaker grills and there are going to be different antenna bands on there, and we have an attachment of the keyboard with the Tab S7 FE, which is looking great. It's going to be a squarish design, and you will be noticing that in these render images, and it's going to be looking pretty much similar to the iPad Pro devices. On the back you will be noticing that it is going to be coming with an S Pen support, and also they are going to be dual camera setup on the back side. So this means that we have right now the S Pen support inside the Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and it's going to be even coming alongside with that bundle as well. On the back we also have an option to attach the S Pen just like the Tab S7 Plus and S7e. Also the case which is going to be coming with the keyboard has an option to include the S Pen inside that case, which is going to be pretty much great. Anyhow, there is going to be a USB Type-C port is also being available here, which is looking great. As far as the cameras are concerned, one camera sensor is going to be 8 megapixel rear camera. It's going to be coming with only single camera setup with 8 megapixel of rear camera and a 5 megapixel of front facing camera. Basically it's going to be a cut down variant, but not literally in terms of size. The base model is coming with the Tab S7 FE, has a 12.4 inch of 2560 by 1600 LCD touchscreen panel with 60 Hz of refresh rate. Yes, this device is going to be coming with a 60 Hz of refresh rate, and I am pretty much disappointed about that Samsung decision, because 120 Hz of refresh rate on LCD devices are going to be pretty amazing, and most of the tablets which are coming are going to be having a 90 Hz or 120 Hz of refresh rate. Anyhow, moving on towards the internals of the device, we have a Snapdragon 750G SoC inside, which means that this device is going to be supported by 5G as well. So honestly, for the chipset, I can say that this is going to be a mid-range category of a chipset. We have seen that processor inside the Galaxy A52 5G, so nothing more fancier here. This processor is going to be a mid-range category chip, so we cannot expect much high performance from that. Also, you will get a 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of expandable storage, and this expandable storage is going to be supported of up to 1 TB. We have a 10,090 milliamp of battery capacity inside and a 45 watt of fast charging. Though you cannot get the 45 watt of charger inside the box, so you have to buy it separately from the store. It's pre-installed and available for free in the first 6 months. The tablet supports Samsung DeX 2. It's been listed in Germany in Samsung own online store for 649 euros in an entry configuration mentioned above. As far as the colors, right now you can pick between black and silver. It's not available yet, but you can reserve one if you want to. Guys, that is it in this particular video. I'm not excited about that particular tablet. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the spec sheet coming in that particular tablet in the comment section below. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.